Thank you for calling. To speak to a representative, please press 0. Please hold while we connect your call to extension 0.
Hey, yeah, a quick question. I've seen this ad on Craigslist.
Sure.
Yeah,
Okay.
I was just wondering, are you guys are you guys interested in generating some junk calling leads for your business?
You know, we're so busy, we just can't even keep up with what we got.
Well, many people I speak with, they tell me the same thing you did before they found out what we do. Are you guys only using Craigslist right now, or do you do other stuff?
You know, we've been around for a while. We tried a lot of different avenues, and then over the years, we just have a full book of business right now. So like, I don't have enough the trucks to. I don't have the trucks or the manpower to generating more work right now.
Well, I see you still posting on Craigslist, so that lets me know you are still looking for business. That's the only reason why I called you. Like, I don't call people in the yellow book because I know they're not doing marketing.
Yeah.
I only call active business owners. So all I wanted to do with you, I'm not trying to sell you on the phone. I've been doing marketing for 7 years. I'm very good at it. I helped 2 junk calling companies last month generate anywhere from $20,000 to $30,000 in revenue. I'm very good at marketing. I do everything online, from videos to Facebook to everything. Okay, I'm good at it. All I wanted to do was send you a quick email. If you're an open-minded business owner, take a look at it. I can definitely help your business grow if that's something you want to do. Okay, that's all I wanted to do. I wasn't trying to give you a sales pitch. I know you're busy. We're in the midst of this COVID. A lot of companies are shutting down. I'm just trying to give business owners options. That's it. You know what I mean? Because we don't know, it's election year. You got to keep your options open. I'm just being real with you. You don't know what's going to happen this year. You know what I mean? Look how many companies have shut down. Think about it.
Yeah, true. Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah,
okay.
I'm
What's
open.
your name?
I'm always open to hear what you got to say.
My name's Maurice. I appreciate your time. And then what's your email? I'll shoot you a quick email, and then maybe we could either talk later on this evening or tomorrow morning when you're not busy.
Okay. All right. Yeah, you can give me tomorrow. Right now, I'm probably gonna be busy all day. Right now, we're in Turlock. Right
Okay.
now. So,
okay. Okay, 1975. Okay, that's perfect, David. And then, okay, that sounds good. But is it still cool if I call you in the morning though?
So you go give me a call, yeah, and see where I am.
Okay. I know you guys are out there busy slamming it, man. I know it. I get it.
Yeah.
I get it.
Okay,
Dave, I'll call you in the morning. Yeah, I know. I see your ad. So I see y'all got a nice setup. So yeah, I would love to partner with you guys. So all right, I'll send you over the details, Dave. And can I text you too? Is this a number I can text you some information?
No, this is my 1-800 number.
Number I can text you real quick?
Sure. It's
Okay, perfect. All right, Dave, I'll send this over to you, man. Thank you.
All right. Take it easy.
Okay. Okay, you too. Bye-bye. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that one. That was another doozy. I get this so much, business owners are busy. They're going to give you all type of objections in the world. They can't handle more customers. That's how you deal with it, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, most businesses are still actively marketing, okay? And then most of the times they're going to turn around and tell you that, oh, I got all the business I can handle, just to get you off the phone. Once again, you got to let them know, hey, you're still marketing. If you're handling all the business that you can possibly handle, why are you still promoting? You need to shut that down.
So my point is, ladies and gentlemen, it's just a smoke screen. Notice that the gentleman told me that he wasn't interested, and I still was able to spin him. Ladies and gentlemen, if you don't have the right tactics and strategies, you won't be effective in cold calling. Okay, but that's how you do it. I want you guys to just listen to these calls. In fact, if you're serious, you want to take your agency to the next level, I want you to click the link in the description. You guys can sign up for the ICP. I actually show you how to go from beginner to pro. I actually started with no clients, no agency, no brand, and I literally built I show you guys how to build a $15,000 a month agency. I literally took 7 days, signed up 3 clients, I recorded everything, and I send them out to you in little just bite-sized pieces that you can follow along. You could follow along over the course of 7 days, or you can devour it all in 1 day or 2 days. But I made it a very actionable course, okay? It's probably one of the best courses out there, and guess what? It's priced very, very affordable. So if you guys are struggling, you're not getting clients, you're tired of it, you want to build a $10,000 to $15,000 a month agency, and you have no clients, click the link in the description, get my whole process. I even give you guys an opportunity to purchase the presentation that I send out, so that you guys can email clients, because you need something to send the clients when you're making cold calls, especially being that we're in the midst of this pandemic. If you're listening to this training during that time, okay? So you can't really go out and do any face-to-face. In fact, you don't even need to do any face-to-face. And in the ICP, I actually do onboarding. I process the credit card in front of you. I show you guys everything. So it's really no excuse for you guys not to be making $10,000 a month. Click the link in the description, sign up for the ICP, hit the thumbs up, comment below. If you're not a subscriber of this channel, make sure you subscribe. I do a lot of these cold calling videos. This to show you guys, I just don't tell you to do something that I'm not doing. I actually drink my own soda pop. I know a lot of guys that tell you guys to do this and do that, and they're not doing it, but I actually do what I tell you guys to do. Okay, cold calling is effective and it flat out works. Don't let nobody fool you and tell you that cold calling doesn't work. I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars doing this stuff, and I've trained tons and tons of people and helped them set up successful agency. So if you guys want the formula, you want the blueprint, you're sick and tired of bumping your head, you're sick and tired of watching everybody else make money in SMMA except you, click the link in the description, invest in yourself. There's no such thing as something for nothing. You got to invest in yourself. So click the link. I'll see you guys on the inside. Thanks for watching. Comment below. Bye for now.